my beauties, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hello, my name is Kurish Kaur. So in today's video I'm going to show you all everything I got from Sarojini. Also please don't mind अगर मेरी voice थोड़ी सी echo हो रही है. This is sort of a new setup that I'm trying, and that's all I'm going to reveal for now. Regardlessly, the setup is different, everything's different, and I hope it's better. And without any further jibber jabber, I'm going to get right into the video. It's a Sarojini haul if you guys don't know already. Haven't seen the last upload. It was a vlog. I went to Sarojini with my mom on a Monday because I wanted to try out the Monday market in specific. This September's collection in Sarojini is so lit, it's so good. You're gonna see that even what I'm wearing, it's from Sarojini, and it certainly doesn't look cheap, sis. So yeah, to know more what all I got, I literally shopped worth rupees 6,500. I said in my vlog ke outro that it was 7,000, but 500 was like some other expenses I didn't realize. So total worth of this entire haul is 6,500 rupees, and I got a lot of stuff in 6,500 from Sarojini. So yeah, keep on watching. Alright, and the very first piece, as you can already see me wearing, is this jacket. This is so dope and such a good purchase, I tell you. This does not look cheap. This was for rupees 350, and all the shop numbers and MRP of each product, not MRP, whatever, the price I got them at will be mentioned on the screen, so you can refer to that. I got this for rupees 350, and this looks so good, so high-endy. I really like this jacket. It's a long jacket. It goes until my knee basically, and dude, I love it. I so love it. It fits me perfectly. I was glad that this shopkeeper in particular also had plus sizes, which was a slight trouble when searching for thick girl friendly clothes in Sarojini. But regardlessly, it fits well. It looks expensive, to be honest. It looks like very classy and effortless, and yeah, like I know my style, dude. And the only slightest defect that is there in this piece is that if you can see closely from here, it is like slightly stained. Mind you, all the clothes I have washed and sanitized, and after that I'm trying them out, okay? So regardless of the fact that this was washed, the stain is kind of still there. It's not a super noticeable stain, and anyways it's a collar, so you're gonna fold it like so and nobody's really gonna know. The next piece that I'm wearing from Sarojini, it's this black spaghetti basically. So it's like a full spaghetti. Also it says Zara on the back of it, so it's literally the export material that these people get from all these brands, Zara, H&M, CK. I saw so many branded stuff. I got this for rupees 100. Can you beat that? Zara spaghetti for rupees 100. I'm just so happy that I got all this stuff for so cheap. And mind you, this feels like a Zara spaghetti top. So it has this thin strap thing, and that's pretty much it. I was just wearing it abhi, like rolled it up to make it look like a cropped spaghetti thing. So you can also tuck it into your bra and make it look like cropped spaghetti. And yeah, you can style a spaghetti in like 100 different ways, dude. So it's definitely worth. And this is the next top I got. It gives me such like Pinterest soft girl aesthetic vibes. It's actually from the store. जिस शॉप के पास मैंने कहा था ये सेम चीज़, क्या बहुत Pinterest टाइप के टॉप्स दिख रहे हैं मुझे. It's so cute, it's so chic, and it's a really good top, and like this t-shirt material that hugs you very well. Honestly, I'm not very happy with how it hugs my arms. It's like, it really accentuates how thick my arms are, but regardlessly I'm gonna wear it because why not? It has two of these knots to tie on, so it's more like a t-shirt shrug, a top, whatever you want to call it. But I got this for like really cheap, and the stuff is genuinely good. This is not sasta material, okay? This feels like a good t-shirt fabric that I would honestly easily pick from H&M Bazaar. Alright, and the next fit right here, this shirt dress I also picked from Sarojini. I got this one in specific from the graffiti lane. एंड में जो बहुत क्योस हो गया था वहाँ पे, आई जस्ट सॉ दिस. आई मीन द वेंडर शोड मी कि ये बहुत अच्छा पीस है मैम, ले लो. एंड इट्स genuinely damn good. The quality and the stuff is so good. It's in this crinkled material. It's ironed, trust me, it's ironed. It's just ये stuffy in particular वो crinkled वाला material है, and looks very classy, I tell you. So the best part about this dress is literally that it's a very good length that I could actually wear out and be very comfortable around, okay? So it cuts me just above the knee, thereby it's a very good length. It's very comfortable. It's a perfect size for me. It's neither too loose, neither too tight. It's legit like a great fit. I genuinely like the material. In Graffiti Lane, there are a lot of these white shirts and long coats that you must check out. Just be very careful that they're always slightly defected, so do keep that in mind. This also had like one small stain somewhere, but wash karke thank god wo nikal gaya. And not to forget, the absolutely best part about the shirt dress is that it has pockets, dude. I'm like, this is so convenient. This one I'll definitely wear out. Like, oh my god, it looks so good. It just got pockets. What a blessing though. And then I also got this belt right here separately. It's not with the dress, I got this, and it's very nice, honestly. It's a nice brown colored belt. It's free size. It would fit anybody. It's very comfortable. It looks very classy and, you know, it's very stylish, and the way, you know, you got to close it is also pretty damn cool, I want to say. It does not look cheap at all. It looks very like nice and, I'm not gonna say luxurious, but it looks sort of expensive. And then from the same vendor I also got this belt. It's a white, you know, broad buckled black belt, and it looks pretty damn good. Again, the same thing. It's stretchy. It's, you know, free size, would fit anybody. And the buckle is also not cheap or anything. It looks very nice, honestly. It does not look cheap at all, I swear. It does not look cheap. It looks rather good, okay? And then I also got quite some bags, mama. And the first one right here is this lilac bag. It's like really nice and small, yet I've seen these on Instagram and they're pretty trendy and they look really cool. अभी actually इसमें कुछ है नहीं, तो इसकी shape थोड़ी ऐसी सी हो रही है when you put your stuff in it, and it's used थोड़ा सा, so it will look better. And the second one I got is this white bag. All of these are similar but not the same, okay? You see that? The shape is different, the style is a little different, and just, yeah, I want to carry a lilac bag sometimes, and sometimes I want a white, right? So yeah, I got this as well. All of these are for 350, like flat 350 rupees. And then I also got a couple of moon bags. The first one is in this color peach. It's a very cute bag again, 350 rupees. And another one in this khaki color. This is really nice actually. It's like olive green khaki sort of a color, very pretty, very carryable, like it's very wearable. I can carry this easily with any and every outfit, okay? And lastly, for the bags, I got this one right here. It's a really nice hot pink bag. You can either wear it on your shoulder like so, or you can also make it into a belt bag, okay? So here we have this belt strap thingy that makes it adjustable, so you can make it into a belt bag as well, and you can easily style like your plain boring t-shirts or shirt dresses, or just, you know, plain dresses and t-shirts with this one, and it's gonna look pretty cool. Lastly, I also got a couple of bucket hats, like in such cute vibrant colors. I went crazy with caps or hats. They can really wanted to get more of these, but I was like, you know, mama leki nahi dengi. Mind you, I have never owned a bucket hat, and these look super cute, especially with tees and stuff and not really a shirt. But regardlessly, it's super cute. I got this in baby blue and also pink, and there's the pink one, super cute. I really like it. And talking of accessories, I got 3 glares first of all. So this is the first one. It's the basic rose tinted glasses. It's just a red glares. I mean, it's just red sunglasses, okay? And yeah, they're nice. I mean, they definitely, none of these glasses feel good quality, to be very honest. But हाँ, सही है, कभी-कभी लगा लो shoots के लिए, मैं लगा सकती हूँ, pictures के लिए, videos के लिए, you know, just, yeah, or just randomly. They are not very good quality because of course, they बिल्कुल ही 100-150 रुपए के यार glares थे. But apart from that, they are just nice, okay? Second one I got, basically this is mom's, but I'm just gonna show you. Mom got this for her. I personally feel it's too big, at least for my liking. It's way too big, but it looks good on her face. So this is the second one, and here I got the third one right here. These are nice yellow tinted glares. They would look super cool for pictures and stuff, yeah. I really got this because it's gonna look super cool on picture. I genuinely got this because it gives me the vacation pictures vibe. Like I want to go on a vacation, wear these and get cool photographs and videos clicked and filmed. So yeah. So originally I got 4 shots, but 2 of them didn't fit me. So apparently I'm just gonna show these 2 to you guys ऐसे ही, and the other 2 जिनका मुझे size आ गया वो मैं try on करके दिखाती हूँ. I really like the other 2 that actually did fit me, and I really wish these fitted me, but both of them are very tight, so it barely closes. The button barely closes. It's that tight. I don't know how come, because I asked the shopkeeper to really measure my waist and उसके according वो दोनों दे, but apparently 2 के size ठीक है 2 के नहीं है, so we're just gonna ignore the other 2. And yeah, this is the first pair of shorts. It's really nice basic denim blue shorts, but this one didn't fit me, so like kind of sad about it, but can't help it either. And we got another one that didn't fit me. I honestly really wanted to style this one. It's a really ripped light blue denim shorts, and I actually genuinely wanted to wear it, but apparently didn't fit me again. This looked very similar to a shorts that I was about to order from Urbanic. It was similar, like pretty ripped, and yeah, it didn't fit me, but so well. And then here we have these army shorts, which honestly is like a little too short, honey. This is super short. It's not even like mid-thigh. It's like literally it's so here I kind of agree with mom that I'm not really sure if I'm going to wear this out, because I personally won't be very comfortable wearing such a short shorts. And regardless, it's very cute, and this one did fit me, so that in itself is like thank God. But yeah, I can't even like wear it high waist. If I wear it high waist, there's nothing to it. But it's pretty. I mean, it's very cute. I just wish it was a tad bit longer, you know. And yeah, the stuff and all is like the generic shorts, bro. It's just a decently good jeans material, and that's pretty much it. Stuff, the shorts that actually fit me, I got these. They are so comfy. It's like in a really easy fit. I guess it's called that easy fit only, no? Yes, it's like a very basic chill fit, and oh my lord, it has pockets. It has good sized pockets that can actually fit your hands properly, and they're just very cool and comfy. They give me very much like Sunday brunch kind of vibes, and I overall really like these. Also, this is in sort of like a crinkled material. It's super duper comfortable, and that's pretty much it. And next up, I also got a couple of sweaters. I mean, I know बहुत गर्मी है right now. It's very hot and humid, but winters आ ही गए यार. Winters आ ही गए, and I just saw a couple of very cute sweaters that I was like, that I could not just let them be there. And the first one is this, of course. Which is, by the way, as you can see, it has this V cut, and it goes all the way down till here. So you have to make sure that your neck is like in proper shape. And it also got like a very sexy back that's also V and like really long. And yeah, the material is very good. It does not have any defect. ना इस पे बुराई हुई है स्वेटर्स पे होती है, या फिर वहाँ पे काफ़ी स्वेटर्स थे जो और भी बहुत क्यूट लग रहे थे, पर उन पे ना थोड़ा बुराई हुई थी. And this is in like completely good shape. So I could easily get this off a showroom. Like बिल्कुल ठीक हालत में है ये. I love the fact that it's super oversized. Okay, I'm just gonna be lounging around my house in this in winters, and it's gonna be just so comfy, so damn comfortable. Like I know I'm gonna love this. And then I also got this very cute white sweater dress from Graffiti Lane itself. It's a very beautiful cream white sweater, a long sweater that can easily be worn as a dress. I would personally say it is a sweater dress, and I've just added in a brown belt to basically cinch it from the waist and give it some nice shape. I honestly really like this dress, and I'm definitely gonna wear this in these winters. Abhi definitely it's too hot, like even for the try on bit I was sweating, sis. But apart from that, I believe it's really gonna keep me warm yet stylish in the coming winter. And the next top I got from Sarojini is this one right here. It has these thin straps, and this is how the fit is like. It fits and falls very loose on the body. It does not hug any other part of the body. It's just that I'm not super comfortable with wearing it like this, because I have got like really thick arms and I prefer to wear it on with a jacket for just me to feel comfortable. Alright. Also, please don't mind the bra strap showing right now. I sort of forgot my strapless bra at my best friend's place, so just don't ignore that. Regardlessly, it has got these basic thin steps, and that's how the fit is. It's really nice and flowy, and yeah, you can wear it with your jeans, your shorts, anything, and it looks super cute. And this is the first top I got from the 20 rupees lot. Like, it can't get cheaper than this. 20 rupees me getting this t-shirt. It was properly tagged and everything. It's in absolutely good condition, trust me. Also, it has got this embroidery bit on the shoulder, and it looks pretty damn good. Like, I would not be able to tell if somebody is wearing this. If I'm wearing this, like, you won't be able to tell that it would be for 20 rupees, dude. And it's like complete worth of 20 rupees. And as per your liking, you can make the fit long like so, which I don't really prefer. I like it slightly, you know, muffled up like this. And it's just the perfect fit. If not for anything, I would love to wear it as a house tee. It's super comfortable. It's cut sleeve, so it's like nice and airy in this summer hot humid weather, like whatever this weather is. So it's really nice. And next up, from the 20 rupees pile, I also got this off-shouldered top. This one is more like kiddish, like it's slightly kiddish, honestly. Not gonna be my first preference if I wanna style smart, but it's nice. I mean, you can wear it once in a while. It's for 20 rupees again. Regardlessly, I really like the top. It fits me legit perfectly. They have this slightly bell sleeve thing going on. It's off shoulder. It's got red and blue flowers all over it. I mean, what more could you even ask for? It was kind of worth it. I actually like. And next up, I got this kaftan style top. I absolutely love the color. The color is just so fresh and orange. I mean, the orange color is just too fresh. I really like it. It fits me perfectly. It's a nice top. It has this neck thing, and then it also has this lining, and the lining is also not very cheap. It's like sort of a t-shirt material lining, so it's not the very cheap cotton ki sasti lining. And yeah, it does feel pretty good. Honestly, I'm loving the color for sure. Then I also got a couple of basic t-shirts, just I guess 2 of them. The first one right here is this. It has got these rainbow hearts, and it's just a basic plain white t-shirt. Other than that, but the fit is very nice. It's also very soft and comfortable, so that is something I absolutely love. But it's very soft and comfy. It has got these rainbow hearts that is super cute. It fits me pretty well, so yeah, I like it. And next up, I got this cream white t-shirt. It says sunshine and wine in pink, so that's a very cute basic t-shirt. I did not have as many like white sort of t-shirts. Like, I have colored t-shirts, black tees, but not really like white tee. So I picked these 2 up for no apparent reason. They were just cute, and I thought, why not? And yeah, it's really comfy. I can wear them tucked in, tucked out. They're just basic t-shirts for like 200 rupees. They're so worth it. And then next up, I also got this very cute top. I don't know what this top is called. It's just a nice top, okay? It has these sort of flared up sleeves. They're not exactly bell sleeves. They're just these frills on the sleeves, okay? That looks super cute. The fit is very easy breezy, and that's how it's supposed to be. It sort of gives me a bohemian vibe, like nice and easy breezy. And honestly, it would look lovely paired up with like a blue denim jeans or shorts. Also really like the neck cross detailing. It's just super minute but really cute. That's the kind of tops I would want to wear. I can also tuck this in. I can also knot it maybe, and or just let it loose, and yeah, it's still pretty. And next up here, I have this kaftan maxi dress of sorts. Honestly, this I didn't pick. This was picked by Mama. She wanted to get this for herself. I might wear it like once, but I am not, like, this is not my style, honestly. Definitely you can, you know, add in a belt, maybe like a cloth belt or like a thread wali belt, like a very delicate belt to just accentuate the waist, because abhi though it's just all loose and straight falling down on your body and does not give any structure to it. But if this is your style, easy breezy kaftans, if you want maybe to wear at home, just to lounge in, or just, you know, for your casual wear, this is not a bad pick. This was also picked from the Graffiti Lane. and it's pretty nice actually. It's very comfortable for sure. It almost feels like either you're wearing nothing or something very like airy. So yeah, the feeling is really nice, but definitely would love to style it maybe with like a thread belt sometime. And next up I also got this really nice cropped retro shirt. So it has this thing that you can knot. So it has this thing like inbuilt that you've got to knot, okay, but it looks super cool. Honestly, love the print. It's very sort of retro and I really like it. So the color, the print, the vibe of this shirt is like very retro, very rustic, and I really like that as an element. Love the, you know, warm tone going on here. Love how it's so basic yet it looks somehow super cool now. This was also again very inexpensive and yeah, definitely worth the money. Alright, and next up I also picked this basic plain white shirt from the Graffiti Lane again. I did not go for the printed and the patterned ones because I literally wanted just a basic plain white shirt, and yeah, it's pretty nice. That I would have loved if it was a little, you know, if it was further more loose. It's nice and loose like here, but I would have liked it more loose so that I could make it like a nice off shoulder thing. Regardlessly, you can wear a basic white shirt in like 100 different ways, and I'm definitely gonna experiment with the same. But even if you want to wear it like a basic white shirt, just tuck it in, maybe open an extra button, and it looks very sexy on its own. And then I also got this tube jumpsuit basically. So it's not the best either material wise, honestly, nor it's very flattering on my body. I believe I might maybe sometime wear it like with a denim jacket or something. I in general don't wear tube tops or tube dresses, anything like that. So you can see my bra strap showing, please ignore that. Regardlessly, this is how the fit is. Not my best purchase, definitely, but for a couple of videos here and there and maybe one occasion, maybe it's okay. So yeah, that's what it is. The colors really attracted me there, but then I'm like not super into it right now. Regardlessly, with a jacket and maybe, you know, a belt bag or a broad buckle belt, it's gonna look nice. And then I also got a couple of cute night suits. The first one right here is this black satin night suit. This one is from Pretty Little Thing. The other one is also from Pretty Little Thing, just by the way. And yeah, these were tagged as Pretty Little Thing, and they're nice material. They're nice satin night suits. They're very comfortable. I'm so glad that they had my size because I always wanted to have a satin night suit, but the ones that have like a reasonable price range, they are never available in my size. So I'm always like, I want a cute night suit, but I'm definitely not paying that price for it. So I was glad to get them. So thereby I picked two. The first one is this. It has full sleeves, a basic black, you know, night suit with like white piping here and there, and then it also has like these full pajama pants and also pockets. So yeah, it's all in all a very cute night suit. And then we have the second night suit right here. It's a nice cheetah print, again the same satin material. Also the sleeves are like half sleeves, as you can see clearly, and it has got shorts instead of pajamas, and this is super comfy and nice and loose. Like, I love the fit of this. It's so comfortable. It's like a very easy breezy fit, so definitely perfect to be a night suit, right? And yeah, the quality is very good. It's also from Pretty Little Thing, and I got this I guess for like 350 or 400 rupees, which is like super cool. Okay, so I almost went to bed and I realized just before removing my makeup कि मैंने एक दो चीज़ें नहीं दिखाई, एक दो रह गए हैं. So I'm just going to quickly show them to you all, okay, and you can just, you know, make sense of it. Okay, I'm too tired to try another outfit, like seriously. And one of those outfits had to be this I don't know, sort of, it's a tiger print maybe, and it's orange and black. It has these beaded straps, if you can see. So the straps are like nice and beaded. Maybe I can wear this as a long top and shorts, but it's going to look really cute. And if you have even a flowy shrug to follow, nothing like it. It's just a very bohemian vibe again, I believe. It's very easy breezy, and yeah, it's cute. Yeah, so next up I have this shirt. It's a basic checked shirt. The color is really nice. It's you know, like reddish pink, and then there's blue and a little of yellow and a little of white. It's nice checks, super basic, can be styled in multiple ways definitely, but my favorite is going to be with a white crop tee and blue jeans. It's going to look super cute and like a very nice casual day outfit. Okay, and absolutely last of all is this carbon black jeans. So it's a basic, you know, carbon black denim jeans. There's nothing fancy about it. Gladly it fits me, but I'm not going to re-wear it. I'm like literally tired of changing clothes today. Please don't admirate me. And yeah, it's just a very basic jeans, yeah, carbon black jeans. It's keep fitting अच्छी है. It's nice all in all. I mean, yeah. Alright you guys, and that's all I got for you today. I know it was a slightly longer video, but I hope you enjoyed watching it. And if you did, please do share it with your girlfriends, your guy friends, anybody who wants good trendy clothes. Especially if you're a plus size girl, it's your duty to share it with your fellow thick girls. So just let them know that Sarojini also has some really nice thick girl friendly outfits, and try their luck and fill their closets with some goodness at some really crazy affordable prices. So yeah, that's all I got for you today. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you in my next one.